What's going on YouTube? The Daily Roast back, and today we're going to do the Reaper glitch on Temple of Anubis. It's apparently patched in the patch notes. However, you can still access the spot, as you can see here. My fucking thing doesn't want to go on it. But basically, once you get up here, you can go down the little pharaoh over there. I'm gonna kill myself, holy shit. It's a lot easier to, I mean, it's not easier to do, it's a bit harder because there's like just like a little pixel you can click on now. Instead of like the entire thing lighting up. But once you get the area, it's pretty easy. So it's like right around there. So pause the video. I'm not sure exactly where it is. But once you get up here, just teleport to the usual spot. And if you don't know already, this is what you do to get down into this area. You're basically invincible, and the line for the site cap is right here. So you can just sit in there with Reaper, or come back here and you want to teleport to this corner.
Repositioning.
And just to be safe, teleport to right here.
From the shadows.
But basically the way back would be here and then right here. So once you're here, you can change heroes. So probably the most effective one would be Bastion, because you can't really move. So and your Bastion. Once you're down here though, you won't be able to get back up, and the only hero that could kill you is Hanzo on the other team. But other than that, you're invincible. You can shoot out, and that's pretty much it. I guess the only way you could die in here would be using your ultimate, because shooting the walls, that'll probably do damage to you. That's the only way though to die, besides Hanzo probably. So that's it. Just wanted to show this glitch because Blizzard, this is not patched. It's actually way more OP because I actually saw that you could get to switch heroes on a different like forum post. So just sitting here, Bastion posted up, really OP. Probably wouldn't recommend doing this in a game if anyone's watching. They'll probably ban you, hardware ID ban you, just for doing a little glitch. Anyways, that's it. If you want to see more Overwatch content, please feel free to subscribe, like the video, and comment some shit. Alright, peace out.